This is how you do invisible locks on relatively short hair using Brazilian wool. Brazilian wool is like a combination of long threads. You first have to start by measuring how long you want your hair to be. Then you fold it and cut it to your desired length. Take your brush and brush out the tips so that it's not blunt at the tips. You have to first put the gel all over the hair. You can use any type of hair wax. I mostly use X-Block or air cream. You are going to part her hair into two, then more gel. Note that I'm not putting the gel on her scalp. Now you take one side of the divided hair and do a flat twist. Flat twist is basically twisting the hair on the scalp. So you are twisting and putting it down on the scalp. I don't know how to explain it, you just have to watch and learn. My flat twist is to my right. Once you have both flat twists, you are going to twist the hair. So now I'm twisting to my left. If you do the flat twist to your right, you have to do the twist to your left. Otherwise, it's going to remove. The aim is not to have the hair looking bulky at the base. So it's advisable to feed in the wig into the hair as you are braiding. You also have to tuck in the person's natural hair in the wig so that the hair is neat. It's not that you finish and now her hair will be poking out and looking all messy. I use 2 packs of Brazilian wool for this look. Also, please don't ask me if you can do without gel. If you want it without gel, go ahead. But don't expect the same result. When you get to the tip, you are going to measure how long you want it, fold it to the length, and then you start wrapping up. Because it's Brazilian wool, you can't leave it like the way you do with kinky, where you don't need rubber bands. This one, you need rubber bands, whether you like it or not. Now you're going to apply some mousse on it. The mousse helps to cool down her scalp and it helps to keep the hair neat and intact. Then I use the oil sheen for shine. I sometimes go in with got-to-be spray for extra hold. And then you are done looking fine, period on fire. Scrum to the yum yum purr. Thanks for watching.